Hi, my name is Gregory, and I will be your host for the time you decide to spend on this course. You're about to embark in the course 40 plus easy ways to deal with stress. As an expert in human behavior, I'm regularly asked to give lectures or workshops on stress. It's increasingly an issue. This course was born out of dozens of interactive workshops that I led, where real people just like you sat down and created a personal action plan to help them deal with pressures and stress. It is packed with very concrete things anyone can do to help manage their stress levels. There are so many of them in this course, actually more than 40 as the title kinda gives away, so that you can find what works for you. Now, when you do a quick search on the internet, you will find all kind of tips and tricks, suggestions and methods. Some of them are really good, actually. Unfortunately, most of the time you can't really put them into action. For example, I remember this one article saying that to stress less, you should worry less. Duh, as if that's just a switch you can turn on and off. The other thing is that you don't know if what's out there is true. I mean, scientifically proven. So nothing of that here. In this course, everything is science-based. For those of you familiar with my other courses, you will know that everything I bring forward is rooted in scientific studies. I won't suggest things just because I happen to like them or think they are cool. Nope, I'm not into urban myths. As the former director of the Institute of Neurocognitivism, I kinda pledged an oath to facts and truth. But don't worry, this course isn't about cold facts and figures either. I'm not a scientist myself, I'm a communicator. I'm into edutainment. I enjoy bringing complex and sometimes difficult material in a fun and engaging way. So you're supposed to enjoy this? So what we're going to see in this course is the following. First, we will analyze stress, where it comes from, what it does, the different types of stress, etc. After that, we will go over the 4 different types of dealing with stress. I called them relief strategies. For each of them, I will give 10 concrete examples of what you can do to activate the benefits of that strategy. So 10 examples for 4 strategies, that's 40 ways to deal with stress. But it doesn't end here. You're highly encouraged to leave your own ideas and examples for each of the strategies, so that this course, just as the workshops I lead, become a co-creation where you help define the final outcome of the course. You will be responsible for the plus in the 40 plus easy ways to deal with stress. All is said now. Let's start.